Always on the go, check out our Presto MyJo single-serve coffee maker. Simply heat your water in the top reservoir of the brewer, insert your favorite coffee, tea, or hot chocolate in the base of the brewer, assemble the pump on top of the brewer, take your favorite mug, and place the brewer directly on top. Carefully push down on the pump and brew. Now you have made a quick and easy cup of coffee. Don't forget, you can always add your favorite fresh roasted coffee into the bonus MyJo cup. Simply add your favorite grounds, insert into the bottom of the base, and brew.